Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this video, let's learn the importance of parentheses while performing arithmetic operations in Excel. So let's get started. Parenthesis is used to change the order of an operation. The calculation is done for the numbers inside the parenthesis first before calculating the rest of the formula. Parentheses are added by typing brackets on both sides of numbers like 2 plus 6 here. For example, let's calculate equation with no parenthesis, that is 10 plus 6 into 5. First we are going to multiply 6 into 5, which is 30. Then we are going to add 10 plus 30. The result is 40 because it calculates 10 plus 30, which is 40. But if we add parenthesis for the same equation, the result changes. That is, add brackets for 10 plus 6, then into 5. Now first we are going to solve the numbers inside parenthesis, which is 10 plus 6 is 16 after adding. Then we are going to perform the rest of the calculations, that is 16 into 5 is 80. As you can see, parenthesis makes a lot of difference here. You can type directly the numbers as equations for calculations like how we did right now, or else you can use a cell unique references to form an equation and apply the same equation to all rows. For example, bracket A2 plus B2 bracket into C2. You can add n number of parentheses according to your requirements. We also have nested parentheses, which is parentheses inside parentheses. In this case, you can first solve the inner parenthesis, then outer parenthesis to get the correct results. For example, bracket, inner bracket 2 into 2 plus inner bracket 4 into 4 plus inner bracket 6 into 6. Now here, first we are going to solve inner brackets. After solving, we are getting this results 4 plus 16 plus 36. Now we are going to solve this and the result is 56. Like this we solve inner brackets first and then later outer brackets. So this was all about today. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.